Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Atomic app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Atomic Wallet app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So press and hold it here. Just hit I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So here when you will just go, just click on the storage section. Click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the Atomic Wallet app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar and search for the like Atomic Wallet app. Just download the latest version and it will work on your device. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.